actually access the online learning courses, right? So teachers can actually log in to the platform where they learn using their teacher ID and their password. So once you type in their teacher ID and the password and you tap on sign into my account, it takes you to the courses they can actually take. This is the first one, second one, and the third one, right? Now, if a teacher wants to take a particular course, all the teacher needs to do is tap on that course and it takes the teacher to the first module, right? So every course is made up of modules, yeah. So there's an introductory video that talks about what the whole course is all about, more like summarizing the course and setting a good pace for learning. And then the teacher taps on start module and it takes the teacher to the next page, to load in a bit, where you get to see, so you can see this module 1, right? And that is it. So the teacher begins to learn by clicking through the various slides. So they're in form of slides. We'll try to model what Allison Education does because of internet connectivity. And the teacher flips through the various slides. There are other features on the slides that can allow them to flip through as fast as they can, right? You can also automate it. Now, at the end of every module, there is a reflection for teachers, right? So at the end of every module, you have a reflection that helps them to summarize the course. At the beginning of every module, there is an objective, right? That also talks about what the course is going to teach them. Now, as if that's not all, once they're done with the first module, they can move on to the second module and then they go in the same pattern. Introductory video that summarizes the course, and they go to module 3 and then they start the module. Once they're done, go to module 4. They start the module. Once they're done, they go to module 5. They start the module. Once they're done, something interesting happens here, right? So they have access. So this is module 5. Now, before I move on to the next amazing feature, we have another one here. Look at the top here where my cursor is. It's actually the opportunity to download this module from the cloud. So just in case the teacher has connectivity issues, you can see the module has been downloaded here, which the teacher can actually review at his convenience. That is an amazing one. Once the teacher is done, take a quiz. The quiz has pass mark, right? So the teacher takes the assessment, and once the teacher is done, you see your score. For this particular platform, the pass mark is 7. If the teacher gets 7 and above, teacher gets a certificate he can download. If the teacher gets 6 and below, the teacher has to retake the assessment. Those are the features from the teacher's end. We call it the client app, right? In the next video, I'll talk about the admin app, where the admin is able to control all that is happening here. Thank you.